In this video, I'm going to be going over a couple protective cases made by XBASE for the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Both of these cases have been military grade drop tested and come in a couple different protective layers. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one of these cases are right for you. I also want to thank XBASE for sending these out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. And if you do want to pick either one of these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So here we have the XBASE Crystal Pro case. This case has been military grade drop tested up to 14 feet. So this case is crystal clear. It does have a very hard backing surrounded by a firmer rubbery type material. It's also got some protectors that you need to take out before we put this on our phone. So we'll put our phone inside the case. And it goes on the phone pretty nicely, feels good in the hand. It does have some grip to it. Buttons on the side, easily pressable, nice and clicky. If we take a look at it from the side, you can see that it does have a slight raised edge all the way around the front of the phone. We also do have these little textured pieces on the inside of the case to help keep that rainbow effect down. And we also do have some bubble reinforcements in the corners to help with that drop protection. We have our cutouts on the bottom. We have our power button and our volume buttons on the side. And we have that really nice clear backing to help show off the color of your phone. And we have a raised edge around our camera lenses. Pretty nice clear case. I do like the fact that it is nice and grippy, feels good in the hand. And you can also wirelessly charge right through this case. So this is definitely a nice clear case if you want to show off the color of your phone instead of covering it up and get some extra drop protection for your phone as well. I would definitely recommend checking out the Crystal Pro. And then here we have the XBASE Pro Tech Series case. This case has been military grade drop tested up to 15 feet. So here is the case itself. It does have a two-piece design. It's got a textured hard plastic backing surrounded by a firmer rubbery type material. So as you can see, these two pieces do actually come apart, and I actually like this better than some of the other two-piece design cases because the inner portion of the case is more firm. It's not as flimsy as some of the other cases. So we'll put our phone inside the case here. Then you can take that harder outer plastic shell and just press it over the top of the back of your phone. And there you go. Feels nice in the hand. It does have some texture on the side to help with grip, which I like. Buttons on the side. Nice and clicky, easily pressable. If you take a look at it from the side, you can see there is a raised edge all the way around the front of the phone. It does add a little extra bulk to the phone, but it is getting some extra drop protection. We've got our lanyard hole in the bottom, that hard textured plastic on the bottom with the firmer type of rubber on the top with that texture. I do like that. On the bottom, we have our cutouts. On the side, we have that same texture with our power and volume buttons. On the back, again, it's got kind of like that hard plastic texture. And it also has these rubber pieces on the side here. And we have a slight raised edge for camera protection there too. Pretty nice protective case. And you can also wirelessly charge right through this case as well. The only thing you will have to keep in mind about this case is because it does have a hard plastic shell on the back, is if you put your phone on its back down on something that is equally as hard, the phone will kind of slide around a lot easier than some of the other fully rubber type cases. It's not a deal breaker, it's just something to keep in mind. Now, if you've seen some of the other videos I've done on other cases that have the same two-piece design, you'll notice that the other cases have a very flimsy inner core, whereas the base case has a much firmer type core inside, so it's not going to just bow out, especially over time. So if you're looking for a more protective case, I would definitely recommend the Pro Tech Series case. These are both really nice cases, and they're meant for two different types of people. For me, my preference is slimmer with some good protection, so I would probably go with the Crystal Pro case because of that. It is nice and slim, shows off the color of your phone, and still has some really nice drop protection, especially in the reinforced corners of the case. So again, if you guys do want to pick either one of these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.